All right, we are going for this intro. Awkward or not, awkward it is. I got this new cup. It says, I want to suck your blood. And I got it from Big Lots and it's really cool. And the red stuff in there, I have water so I can't really tip it, but the red stuff moves around and it's cool. And also I am eating banana bread with some butter on it. I'm like halfway through that. It is, what time is it? I don't know. It's like noon, 12:30 or something like that. There is a reason why I'm filming today, and that is because I have to take some photos for Killstar. They sent me some stuff. I actually filmed a little kind of unboxing try-on thing. This is one of the items. It's a corset. It needs to be zipped up, but you know, you get the idea. So that is one of the items. I absolutely freaking love it. I usually do my unboxings here on YouTube, as you guys know, but I filmed it as an Instagram reel this time, my little unboxing, so not like a proper unboxing, but this will still be kind of a Killstar themed video. This is the next item. I freaking love this one. I mean, I love the other one too, but like in terms of this one just being super like casual, like super comfy t-shirt kind of vibe, this one I've been wearing a ton. Like I think I got these 2 weeks ago and I've probably worn this like 6 times in 2 weeks, so I am really obsessed. This next one, this is like the main one that I really need to get some photos and footage of because I filmed like some reels in those other 2 shirts, but this one I haven't really, other than the unboxing video. It's like this hardcore bodysuit, jumpsuit thing that is so extra. So that's kind of all the items. I also got salt and pepper shakers. I'll like put in a picture, but those are in the kitchen. So it's mainly about the clothes. I need like a picture, at least one kind of good photo of each. So my plan is to actually go outside into my backyard to take the photos because there's like a spot where like there's kind of like the fence and the tree and the grass, and it just looks like nicer than like, I mean, this is very nice. I like my WoW stuff, but I feel like Killstar probably doesn't want my WoW shelf in like a photo that they might potentially use. So the plan is to bring the tripod outside, go take pictures, and I'll kind of put the wig on with you guys, do my makeup with you guys, kind of show you all the outfits, and then sort of, if I can, maybe show like behind the scenes of trying to take the photos outside. I'm gonna start doing my makeup, but I got the new Mariana's Trench CD. You guys know I love them. It's called Haven, and the CD is already in my CD player, and yes, I got a CD player on Amazon, and that's what I'm gonna listen to. So I'm gonna be kind of jamming out doing my makeup, and I'll maybe show you guys some steps in the process. We will see, but I'm mostly just gonna do my thing. I think that I'm now done with my makeup. I might touch it up a bit more once we actually get the outfit on, but I kind of tried to keep it sort of neutral. My brain wanted to go for like purple or orange eyeshadow, but I kind of just went for like, I was using some like mauvey kind of colors. I don't usually do that, but let me actually show you. Kind of did like my usual black, and then I was using these 2. Do you see them? I dabbed a little bit of this one, this like sparkly shade kind of on there. It's like a shimmer. I don't know. I'm pretty much at the point where I'm ready to kind of start putting the outfits on and putting on the wig, but I think I'm gonna grab my coffee first. That's been like ready for the last hour. My husband already got his, but I haven't had mine yet. So by the time I do that, I feel like my makeup will kind of like settle and like I'll feel more like lived in. Whenever I first put on my makeup, I feel like it's very like, I just put on makeup, and like it feels like heavy-ish. I don't know. It's a very weird thing where like hours later throughout the day, I feel more comfortable in my makeup. I don't know why. We are now in my kitchen and I'm gonna make some coffee, and I'm wearing like the tiniest little shorts and my butt is out, so don't mind that. I got this new mug from Big Lots. I also got those like dish towel things from Big Lots, but oh my god, I freaking love it. It's amazing. Someone legit gifted me this from my Amazon wish list. Pumpkin spice syrup. I use just like barely a capful most mornings, but this has lasted me, like I've already had it like a month. And I use it almost every day, just a little, like half a capful maybe. Today I'm gonna use my hazelnut coffee creamer. Perfect. Microwave dish. So I kind of laid my outfit plans down on the floor. These are the outfits that I've already kind of put together, and I've sort of already posted about them on Instagram, but I'm wearing them again. So the first outfit, we're doing the Killstar Crescent Moon choker with the corset, with some Killstar fishnets, with this Killstar bag because it also has the moon, so we're kind of matching there, and then these really cool leggings, and then I'm going to wear these boots as well, which have the moon. So that's outfit number 1. And then outfit number 2, we're going for this pentacle purple spiked choker and then the top. And it's so cool. This shirt says "When the lights go out." And then I have this Children of the Night arm warmer things, which also have pentacle things kind of on them. So that sort of matches. But the gray and the black theme is awesome. I got my Wednesday Addams leggings, and I'm still going to wear these boots. Probably, because these are like, I only really have 2 pairs of Killstar boots, so, you know, I'll probably wear these ones, but I do have like other boots that are like from Amazon that I can maybe wear, but I'll probably just wear those boots for that outfit. For the bodysuit, I'm just gonna wear these boots because they're just kind of like ankle boots, and I feel like, you know, like knee-high boots wouldn't really work under it, so we'll be wearing these. But other than that, it's just chilling on there, but I don't really have any plans, so that's the plan. I've got the first outfit on, and I'm gonna put the wig on. I mean, I was kind of debating, it's like, do I want to just use my real hair? But there's just something, I don't know. Let me know if I'm crazy. I'm sure you guys will say I'm crazy because my husband says I'm crazy too, and he likes my real hair, but like, I feel like with the white wig, everything just becomes so much more extra, and like everything pops, and I feel like these colors just kind of like hide the top, if that makes sense. I don't know. I just definitely, right now, I feel kind of like, just kind of like mediocre, but I feel like once I have the wig on, it's like, fuck yeah, let's go. Here is my wig. This is the one that I got a few weeks ago, and I've been obsessed with it. It's like my favorite thing in the world. Let's put it on. I thought it would be fun to actually kind of show you guys the full process, which is kind of hard because I'm like wearing a choker right now, but we're gonna do this. We're gonna get there. We're gonna become basically an egg for a quick sec here. You will see, tuck the hair in here. I kind of like to leave my ears tucked in for now and pull them out after, because it's too much. It's too much to full on, like, you know. This is like the pictures that I send to Killstar. I'm like, here you go, I'm bald. I definitely need to kind of brush out some of this. Every time I put on a wig, I'm like paranoid there's gonna be an earwig in it, because that happened to me once. But it's been put away in its box in a bag, so I'm sure it's fine, but it's still scary. All right, and then just kind of start at the back and then just kind of pull it on. Some adjustments here. Then just put the ears out. Okay. Kind of pull this down. Give it a little bit of a brush. I think I'm gonna also kind of straighten. There's like a few kinky places that are being weird. Just kind of touch it up. All right, I think, no. All right. Okay, we are out here. It feels so weird being out here, but. Okay, I don't want to film much out here, so I'm just gonna get the pictures and go. change of plans. I'm taking all the photos in here. I tried to go outside, maybe got one or two, but I didn't like it out there. So this is where we're doing everything instead. I'm just gonna take the pictures on the wall. I didn't like the lighting out there. I don't know, I felt weird. I felt like the wig looked weird outside. Like I feel like you could tell too much that it was a wig, but like something about indoor lighting makes it like more cool. So I'm gonna put on the next outfit and just do that instead. I feel very awkward now today because I'm sad that it didn't go as planned. You know, I was excited to go outside, went outside, didn't like it. And now I'm just like, did I just waste the last like 2 hours of my life? So we're just gonna try to salvage it by just rolling with what's in here. So why not? So here is outfit number 2. Working through, just trying to get some pictures. I literally just need one picture of each outfit, so it's taking way longer than it should, but I suck at getting pictures. But yeah, all that we have left is the jumpsuit, so I'm gonna do that, and my wig is finally getting to the point where it's hurting, so I am getting angry. It's like a hangry feeling, probably because I am also hungry, but like, wigs are irritating, okay? And I'm sorry that this video didn't turn out how I planned, but we're doing it. I low-key didn't even want to keep filming. I was just gonna be like, screw it, we're scrapping the YouTube video, but this is real. This is what we're coming up with, so let's change outfits. So I think that I am officially done. I added this witch hat from Hot Topic for a few of the pictures, so now I just have to go through all of them and figure out which pictures I like. I actually did it by like filming. I have a hard time like snapping pictures, so I just sort of filmed everything vertical mode and posed and kind of held my poses so I can go through and screenshot pictures. So that is the plan, but I'm all done. I am gonna go take a break. Like I'm definitely done filming for now. My head hurts, my wig hurts my head, this hat hurts it more. Yeah. So yeah, but this outfit is iconic. Let me kind of tilt you guys, kind of show you guys the bottom half. It is so freaking iconic. I'm now on the floor. I'm done for now. I'm going to take off this wig and just chill. I have to finish my coffee. I only took like those few sips back when I was first making it, and now I want to drink it. So yeah, I love this. This is so iconic. You know what? You guys get to see it. You get to see the taking off of the wig. Oh god, we're stuck. There it is. It's legit. It's behind the scenes. Free. Okay. There we go. Alright, god, that feels so good to be back to the real hair. I mean, it's cool. I kind of like it, but I just don't think that it gives like the Killstar witchy vibes. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, but I'm gonna go for now, and I will update you guys with kind of like an outro in a little bit, maybe even tomorrow, because I might just like kind of say that this was my content creation filming day and then get to the editing tomorrow, and I'm just going to chill. I feel like I have put in my day's work for now. My cat's here. Come on, kitty, come say hi. Come say hi. He's like, why do you do this, Mom? Kitty. Okay, I will talk to you guys soon. Oh my god, guys, check this out. Here's the aftermath of filming. Anytime I film or do content, my room is like this. This is a tomorrow problem. I'm not dealing with this. There's like jewelry everywhere. I'm not dealing with this right now. Here's me right now. This will be me chilling for the rest of the day. I got like 3 hours before I have to go to work, so I'm gonna play WoW, watch Supernatural. I have to make some dinner at some point probably, unless we just have leftovers, but I'm wearing these little like, let me actually show you guys. I'm wearing these like boxers from Naughty Knickers. They're kind of more like boy shorts. Also sent me, there's like a few other pairs over there that I want to try on. Kind of cute like female boxers and underwear, and just a few underwear things from Naughty Knickers, which I'm excited about because my friend Anixia does like commercials for them and like ads for them and actually works with them IRL. So it's cool to have some stuff. But anyways, I'm officially done. We're gonna sit down. I'm not filming anymore today. So I will talk to you guys maybe tomorrow. I guess maybe this is the end of it. I don't know, but I might do like an update tomorrow or something. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.